Welcome to Mind Over Money Academy, your guide to mastering financial mindset and building wealth with intention. In this video, we'll explore the hidden beliefs that shape your relationship with money and how shifting your mindset can transform your financial future. Because money isn't just about numbers. It's about how you think, feel, and act. Whether you're earning, spending, saving, or investing, your mindset is the silent force behind every decision. And the best part? You can change it. Let's dive into the psychology of money, uncover your earliest money memories, and learn how small wins can lead to big financial breakthroughs. Ready to take control of your financial story? Let's begin. So, what exactly is a money mindset? It's the set of beliefs, habits, and emotions you hold about money. It's how you think about earning, spending, saving, and investing, even if you're not consciously aware of it. Think of it like the operating system running in the background of your life. You don't always see it, but it controls everything. Let's pause for a moment. Think about your earliest memory of money. Was it your parents arguing about bills? Was it receiving pocket money and immediately spending it? Or maybe saving up for something you really wanted? Those early experiences shape the way you see money today. If you grew up hearing money doesn't grow on trees, you might believe money is scarce. If you saw people using money to create opportunities, you might believe money is a tool for freedom. For me, one of my earliest money memories was saving coins in a jar until I could finally buy something I really wanted. That moment taught me that money isn't just for spending. It's also a tool for patience and growth. These beliefs matter. They influence whether you save for the future or spend impulsively, whether you invest wisely, or avoid financial decisions altogether. Let's look at two people with the same income. One creates a budget, sets goals, and builds savings. The other lives paycheck to paycheck, avoids looking at their bank account, and feels stuck. The difference isn't how much they earn, it's how they think. That's the power of mindset. Imagine two friends, both earning $3,000 a month. One automatically saves 10% every month. The other spends freely, thinking, "I'll save later." After a year, one has $3,600 saved. The other has nothing. Same income, completely different results, all because of mindset. And here's the good news. Your money mindset isn't fixed. You can change it. Start by noticing your thoughts. When you make a purchase, ask yourself, is this helping me reach my goals? Track your spending. Not to judge yourself, but to understand your habits. Set small, achievable goals, like saving $10 a week or cooking at home twice instead of eating out. For 1 week, write down every single expense. At the end of the week, ask yourself, which of these purchases truly added value to my life, and which were just impulse? That awareness is the first step to change. And here's a secret. Small wins build confidence. Every time you hit a goal, no matter how small, you're training your brain to believe, I can do this. Over time, those small wins add up. They become habits, and habits shape your future. Think about a student who saves just $5 a week. It doesn't sound like much, but over a year, that's $260. Over 10 years, with smart investing, it could grow into thousands. That's the power of consistency and small wins. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Do you want to be stressed about bills or confident about your financial future? That vision starts with the mindset you choose today. Close your eyes for a moment and picture it. Where are you living? What kind of work are you doing? How do you feel about money? That vision can guide the choices you make right now. And most importantly, keep learning. That's why this channel exists. Because when you shift your mindset, you shift your results. You stop fearing money and start using it as a tool. You stop reacting and start planning. You stop surviving and start building. Financial education is a journey. Today, you're learning about mindset. Next, you'll learn about budgeting. Then saving, investing, and eventually financial freedom. Each step builds on the last. Subscribe to Mind Over Money Academy and join us on the journey to smarter financial thinking. And in the comments, share your earliest money memory, Your story might inspire someone else. Let's build this community together.